Hi there, welcome to 127. In today's video, I am going to guide you through how to log into your American Express Bank. So to do that, first we need to open up any web browser. In today's video, I am going to use Google. After opening up Google, on the URL bar, type in American Express. After that, there will be an option called Login to my account. Click on that, which will take you to the official webpage of American Express Bank. And there, the first thing you will see is the login page. Now type in your user ID, your password, and in the card section, you can select your account. And if you want the device to remember you, then click on Remember Me. If not, then do not click that option. And in case if you forgot your password or user ID, then click on Forgot User ID or Forgot Password. So that was the process of logging into your American Express Bank. If you find this video useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification so that we can send you notification of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching the video.